Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this car media player special Android 8.0 Oreo head units for Subaru Forester WRX 2013 to 2015 years. Okay. This is box. Let me unbox review. Open the box. And you can check the head unit. Okay, it's so big. It's 9-inch. Okay, this is head unit. Remove the box. Let me introduce the harness at first. Okay. There are two harnesses for Subaru Forester WRX. Okay, let me show this harness, this radio antenna, and this Subaru connector. You can check. Okay. This is radio antenna. Okay. Let me check other. This one. This is radio antenna. There are 4 connector. This is radio. Okay. Okay, that's 2 harnesses. Let me show other. This is GPS antenna. This is the install part with screw. Okay. This is the external microphone, USB cable, and the external microphone, 2 USB cable. This is camera input. Cam input. Okay. This is WRX and the video input. Video input, okay. This is audio cable, subwoofer, okay. This video out 1 and the video out 2. Okay. This front, left and right, and the rear. Okay. Let me open the head unit with plastic. Okay, this head unit come 9-inch RPS screen, drive agent. Okay, let me show. Okay, you can check this back. Radio antenna, Wi-Fi, GPS. Okay, let me show the okay, let me power the head unit with 12 voltage. Okay, the head unit will be start. Let me adjust this. Okay. Let me check the. You can take out this screw protector. Screw protector before using. And this GPS or this card, SD card, microphone and reset hole, you can install. It's very fast. Octa PX5. You can install wallpaper. Says the wallpaper, home screen. You can check it's built in Google Play Store and Google Maps. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0. It's Octa rack chip PX5. Okay, very fast response. Okay, that's all. Thank you.